spend a few minutes listening to this video and do not skip it, as it may be the most important message of your life. For we will tell you what your purpose is and why you need to act now. If you believe that we are all part of Brahman, the ultimate reality and supreme being that exists in everything and nothing, then you must join us, for we can teach you the path to oneness. If you believe that by following, worshipping, and becoming one with the Devas, or gods, is a way to Brahman oneness, then you must join us, for we can show you how to summon, speak, and become one with the higher entities. If you believe that conversing with asuras or other forms of demonic entities and following a tantric path is also a way to Brahman oneness, then you must join us. For we can show you the wondrous tala spaces that these entities exist in and teach you how you can merge into one. If you can follow both paths, the tantric and non-tantric paths, or show the respect for each path, then you are truly becoming the holistic being that you were destined to become, and you must join us. For we are the only true Brahman path that follows and allows our members to pursue all avenues to achieve Brahman oneness. We do this because we need all thoughts and practices explored if we wish to transcend the whole. If you are struggling in this material existence, worrying about your future, it could be that you are destined for a spiritual life. A life free from the material hardships, and one that is enveloped in the spiritual. Then you must join us as we can create a family of spirituality that will uplift you to the highest realms. We can journey together as spiritual travelers in the sea of material illusion. Now, this is an important part to understand. If you know that the ancient Dravidian Ayani yantras are keys to unlocking dimensional space, then you must help us explore this universe and its many realms together. When one reads the English letters A, B, or C, this represents a sound in English, and it has no other meaning than this. If you read the modern Dravidian Ayani scripts, they too represent sounds. However, the ancient symbols of Ayanism are not representational. They are actually a fragment of dimensional space that, when all joined together, make up a key that unlocks a particular dimension. This fact is important. The sacred symbols that make up a yantra do not represent, but are actually part of the key itself. Just like grooves in a key does not represent the key, but is part of the key. If you couple the sacred yantras with their mantras, then any door can be unlocked, and we can show you how. So, to reiterate, if you know that the ancient Dravidian Ayani yantras are keys to unlocking dimensional space, then we can teach you how to explore this universe together. If you believe in Jnana Yoga, the yoga of knowledge, then you must join us, for we will teach you the ancient Dravidian sciences and the means of achieving oneness with all. We also follow the bhakti path of worship, but this is a means of merging with the higher gods and entities which will share great knowledge with you. All paths of yoga you take will eventually morph into the yoga of knowledge, as knowing all is the first step into becoming all. If you believe that humans have lived on this planet for hundreds of thousands of years, and that the teaching of modern history, which starts at 6000 BC, is missing the most important ancient histories of humanity, where gods walked amongst humans, and we were much closer to the spiritual worlds than we are now, then you must join us, for we can teach you this true ancient history of humanity. Now, if you believe in oneness, you must join us. Being one with everything means that there is no separation between peoples, entities, or anything, on any grounds. We are all interconnected. There is no discrimination between anyone for any reason. We are all one. This means that you love everyone unconditionally and respect and allow others to find Brahman via their own methods. Your Atman is a part of Brahman, and you are a voyager through this universe, traversing the many planes of reality and meeting and becoming one with many different entities. Thus, when you absorb and are absorbed by many beings, when you have seen the many dimensions that exist in this universe and can travel at will, then you will be on the first stage to becoming one with Brahman. However, oneness is not the final goal. The goal is for Brahman to transcend itself. We have 100 Brahma years until we are merged back into Brahman in the Mahapralaya. During that time, all entities that exist are trying to transcend the whole. So, if you believe that the holistic being Murugan Ayyan is a means of Brahman transcending itself in this cycle, and you wish to help Brahman, Murugan Ayyan, and the other powerful entities in this universe in this holistic endeavor, then you must join us. You are a spiritual person and voyager on the journey to Brahman oneness, and you have met many souls on this journey. If you wish them to be liberated too, do share this video and allow us all to travel together to Brahman. For together, we as Ionists, with the Devas and Asuras, with other entities throughout this universe, once we can learn from each other, we can find that hidden spark or thought that can exist outside of Brahman and thus transcend all. This is your ultimate purpose in this existence and your many millions of incarnations. Each step on the path is a means for us all to achieve this aim, but do not wait for your next incarnation or the next 100. Do not waste this precious moment of existence to pursue other material goals. Take the first step in your journey and join us to become one and ultimately transcend all. This is the end of the podcast. If you agree with our philosophy, then do join us, and we can create a movement that can uplift all of humanity.